So guys, this is it. This video is 1K view at a dot, 1000 view, nothing add, nothing less. And the good part about this particular video is this video is a 4-minute video. And the sweetest part about this particular video is this video have high audience retention of 2 minutes 2 seconds of a video of 4 minutes, and I'm so grateful. In today's video, I will share with you guys how much YouTube paid me for this particular video of 1K view. And yeah, anyways, hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Sonia and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. Hi guys, doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is the first time seeing it, do subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. Like I'll keep saying it, why you see content creators, or me, let me use myself rather, and I come here to do how much YouTube pay me, is for me to encourage your journey and for me to also share with you that no matter how small you are going to be getting views on YouTube, you will definitely be making something out of it. So this is not like a pride thing or coming here to boast or coming here to show off how much 1K money won't give me what I won't show off. So this is just me generally encouraging my people as I usually do. Anyways, with that being said, I'll just go ahead and start on my screen record. So anyways guys, my screen record is all started and I'll attach it either here or here. So you can see it here. This video has gotten 1000 views, as you guys can see. And I was actually surprised, probably because I talked about YouTube new updates. That was why YouTube now said, okay, let's give her some recommendation, because for so long I've not actually seen YouTube recommendation since my channel was on strike. But I'm so grateful for this anyways. So you can see that for recommendation, how viewers find this video, YouTube recommendation, notification, channel page, subscription feed, and others. You can see my audience retention for a video of 4 minutes is 2 minutes 03 seconds, and of which I'm so grateful. That is really huge, coming from a video of 4 minutes. And if you check here, you can see this is the real time. You can see that this video that I posted was just in the last 48 hours, right? And that's why this analysis is very good, so that we'll get the straight point of this is how much YouTube actually paid. Now let's go to the reach of this video. If we go to the reach of this particular video, you can see that this video have an impression of 7.5K because YouTube actually recommended it. And this is how viewers found my video, which is other sources, browse feature, notification, channel page, YouTube, and the rest. And this is other YouTube search term, how to make thumbnail, Canva. I don't know how come, right? Anyways, so let's go to the engagement of this video. Now for the engagement of this video, you can see that this video has 34.4 watch time, audience retention 2 minutes, like I said. And then let's go to the audience of this video. If I click on the audience of this video, you can see that I have 686. That means out of the 1K, 686 person that watch, they were unique viewers. That means there's possibility that they watch from beginning to the end. You understand? And then you can see the device that is actually watching it. And now you can see the age category, 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44, and 40. Okay, it stopped there. And you can see the gender, male, female. And then you can see the country that is actually watching me the most, and of which this is one set I've been so grateful on this particular channel. 99% of my videos, most countries that watch it, my top 3 countries are always Nigerian, US, and UK. Some of my videos you will not see. You will see US either the 3rd or the 4th, right? But I'm so grateful. You guys are the best. I really do appreciate. And you can see subtitled. Now let's go to the revenue. For the revenue, I made $2.11 for a video of 4 minutes. Don't tell me it's not much. It's big. It's big. $2.11. And that $2.11 is coming from just 771, which is YouTube has just calculated for 771 views. They have not calculated the full 1000, because you guys know that YouTube is kind of backdated, like 2 days backdate on their update, right? They usually say it too. How much advertisers are paying? $4.25. And for every 1K view, I get to make $2.73, and of which I'm so grateful for a video of 4 minutes. I'm really, really grateful. Earning by skippable display bomber and so on and so forth. So this is it, $2.11 for just a video. You can see it here. The video duration is 4 minutes 55 seconds, and this is a video I did about YouTube launch a new update for monetization. Anyways, this is it okay? Yeah. Am I grateful? Yes. Will you make it? Yes. Will you be grateful? Yes. That is what I keep telling people. No matter how small your views are, you will get something. you must get something down to your account. And that's the beautiful part of YouTube. So if you're looking forward for how much YouTube can actually pay you for a video of 1K view, 4 minutes video duration, this is how much that might paid me. Have it at the back of your mind that it might pay you more, it might pay you less, depending on the niche that you're doing. Some of my lifestyle content, I earn way less than $1. Like $1 for a long form video is as bad as that. And if this particular one is giving me this, I am so grateful. And that's why I keep encouraging you to keep creating content no matter what. Do not give up. Don't think that all your effort is going to be put to waste. They're not going to be put to waste. You're definitely going to achieve every single thing. Just take your time. Just be patient with YouTube. Just keep doing what you know how to do best. No matter what, do not give up. Do not be deceived. Nobody should deceive you that you cannot make money here. You can. A lot of people are making money, so you can. You understand. One thing about YouTube revenue that you should understand is it fluctuates. This month might be more, next month might be less. Last month might be less, this month might be more. And that's the beautiful part. So keep creating content, keep pushing out your content so that at the end of the day, you are going to get monetized. Then you will come back and share this particular type of testimony with us. And I hope this video is able to encourage every single person out there to take their YouTube channel very, very serious. I repeat, very serious. If you don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments. And lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. I'll keep saying it on all my videos in case maybe you are tired, you're frustrated, you're looking for someone to talk to. You can book a section with us. You can book a coaching section. You can book channel review sections where me and you personally go into channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what you can add, so that at the end of the day, we can be able to achieve success together. With this mail you're seeing display here, faith319@gmail.com, and with this particular banner you are seeing here, check any day of your choice, book us, and trust me, you will not regret it. Some persons will personally even tell me, Vibe with Sonia, just check my channel to see that if everything I'm doing is okay. Just check my settings. Just check this. Just check. And at the end of the day, we check and we achieve success. So you too can actually achieve that particular success. Anyways, if you have not subscribed once again, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And let me know what you think in the comment section. Have you gotten a video of 1K view? How much did your own pay you? I want to know. How many minute duration as well? I really want to know. Subscribe, and with no further ado, I do like in my videos. I'm going to be seeing, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye, and do not touch the die. I don't bring new slogan.